oil bunkering and the rest. The government is very, very active. But we don't see them, we don't see corresponding activeness on the issue of illegal mining that is happening in Zamfara and other places, depriving Nigeria of the needed revenue for development. When we come to a forum like this, that issue is not raised. What is really happening in Nigeria? Thank you.
I am from Puerto Rico, where there are many oil flow stations. But believe you me, we don't even have a drinking water. Not to talk of a secondary school. I schooled in Benue State, Chilegado College. I am one of the pioneers students. My father was a fisherman in Benue River. And that's why I was opportune to school in Benue State, Chilegado College, 1974. And now, the last discussant say they have uncountable security agencies in the riverine area to check bunkering. Good enough. Good enough. What a jolly fellow you are. Good enough. That is good. You have killed all of our boys. We don't have money. It's when I travel to the village, I buy garri. I buy fish, carton of ice fish to go and share for my people. Because of our village, there's no more fish in the river. Now you say, federal government, you don't even give up secondary school. And you have the God enough to budget trillions to buy aircraft.
Madam.
No.
Next question.
I'm ready to die for my people. I'm ready to die for my people.
Excuse me.
The world, the international world is hearing me. Adjust Owoye and I. Let Adjust Owoye and I first causes.
You have made your point, madam. Can you relieve her of that
You got to kill us. You got to kill us. You don't have a school.
Thank you. You have made your point.
You have made our point. Let me hold on.